get you the breaking news from Manipur, and the sources tell us that President's rule will be imposed in Manipur. That's the big breaking news we have right now. President's rule to be imposed. Biren Singh to remain the caretaker Chief Minister till the time the next Chief Minister is decided upon. So Manipur to get President's rule. My colleague Aniruddha, tracking all developments, is joining us. Aniruddha, tell us more about it, how it's going to affect the state functions and what next for BJP.
Yes, Rakshita, one of the biggest breaking news that we have at this point in time, that sources have confirmed that President rule will be imposed in the state of Manipur. BJP is not going to stake claim to form the government. BJP is not going to make claims to form the government. The next Chief Minister, they are not projecting anyone as the next Chief Minister. And yes, President's rule will be imposed. This is what we are getting to know at this point in time.
In fact, just stay on with us. Stay on with us. We have Executive Head of Politics, Aishwarya Kapoor, joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, President's rule in Manipur to be imposed as per our sources, Biren Singh to remain the caretaker CM.
Well, absolutely. That's the information which we are getting in, that BJP is in no mood. And I repeat, BJP is in no mood to form the government in the state of Manipur. Hence, process will follow. And Biren Singh will remain as the caretaker Chief Minister. And sources are confirming to the public that there is going to be President's rule imposed within the next 15 to 20 days in that very crucial and sensitive state of Manipur, which has been seeing violence for the last year and a half. It is very, very sensitive situation prevailing there, both politically and systematically as well. Hence, BJP is not going to make the first move. BJP is going to very, very closely and minutely watch, and hence process will get in place a President's rule. That is how the system plays around, and BJP is going to follow it. But we are being told, keeping in mind the political sensitivities in the state, BJP is not going to move. And I repeat, sources are indicating that BJP is not going to move to form the government in the state of Manipur, which in itself entails that there will be President's rule imposed maximum in 20 days in the state of Manipur. According to our sources. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. Aniruddha continues to be with us. Aniruddha, tell us more details about what do we expect next in Manipur.
Yes, once the President's rule is imposed in Manipur, there will be the forces will be given a free hand to carry out operations. And as far as the operations are concerned, it is very crucial to carry out the operations both in the valley and the hills against the armed groups. And in order to continue the seizure of arms in the state of Manipur, there have been extensive operations going on for the last several months. However, if the President's rule is imposed, then the operation mode will be getting at an aggressive node. And as we speak, we are also expecting the arrival of the BJP delegation to meet the governor. It has been learned that yes, BJP is not going to stake claim to form the government. BJP is not naming anyone as the next Chief Minister for the state of Manipur, and they will be leaving it up to the governor to send a report from the state to the center. And once the governor sends the report from the state to the center, then center will act upon it, and the President's rule will be imposed in the state of Manipur. Our top sources in the government, both at the state and the center, has already confirmed to Republic, and Republic is the first channel to bring this exclusive input that yes, PR is being imposed in Manipur in all likelihood. Rakshita.
Thank you so much, Aniruddha, for joining us with those details coming in on Manipur. Viewers, the sources tell us that President's rule is likely to be imposed in Manipur, and N. Biren Singh, who just resigned a few days back, shall remain the caretaker Chief Minister.